everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Shall I go ahead, ma'am? Can I start now?
Yeah, are all the PP2 children there?
PP2, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Except Ronak, except Ritvik, everybody has logged in.
Okay, fine.
And the PP1 children also has logged in.
Okay, good. Go ahead.
Yes. Good afternoon, respected principal, ma'am, grandparents, parents, teachers, and my dear children. My name is Madhvi, you all know. I'm the pre-primary coordinator and teacher of PP1 and PP2. On behalf of Kairos International School, I welcome you to our virtual celebration of our kindergarten students. Not too long ago, when your students entered into our classroom, some of them were shy, a little timid, maybe nervous. With the right dose of love and encouragement, they have grown into a most confident, curious, and energetic learners. It has been wonderful to watch this transformation takes place at Kairos International School. We are so grateful that you have shared your children with us. We ask them to sit back and enjoy the celebration of learning. I request our principal man to address the gathering.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first pre-primary graduation ceremony of Kairos International School. Talent and skills are the crops that nurtured, groomed, and best possible opportunities have been given to grow and bloom. Graduation Day is a celebration of the harvest of the crop. This is a much awaited event in every student life as it gives the returns of the efforts put by them over the years. It's a day full of joy, pride, and accomplishment. It marks the conclusion of the pre-primary education and beginning of the primary education, which is another milestone in a child's life. Truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work and relentless pursuit of knowledge by the students. We are honored and pleased to graduate our students from pre-primary level to the primary level. Dear students, in spite of some hard tasks, I'm sure you would have gone through a lot of hard tasks, right? Like getting up early in the morning, sitting in front of the camera was difficult. I know we could see you all running here and there and parents trying to catch you, put you in front of the camera. But seriously, children, all that efforts which you have taken to sit in front of the camera and learn on an online mode have really paid off. So that is the hard work which you have done. So despite all that, your journey over the pre-primary years was successful and you will be graduating today into the primary level with beautiful memories and you will cherish them. You will remember that. You see, when you have little brothers or sisters, then you'll think back, oh, this is what I was doing when I was in my pre-primary level, right? And you will start telling them as elder brother and elder sister, that no, you shouldn't disobey. You need to listen to parents. You need to listen to the teachers, right? Children, don't you think this is the right occasion for you? All of you, look back into your parents and tell them a big thank you. Say thank you to your parents. This is the best occasion where you pay your gratitude to your parents first by saying a big thank you, and to your teacher, Madhvi ma'am, who has put up with all your, what should I say, your naughtiness. Okay. So a big thank you to Madhvi ma'am. Did you say that?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. You must thank all your father, your mother,
Thank you,
your
ma'am.
grandparents. All of them have worked towards you. Isn't it, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Very good, children. Now, I'm sure you must be thinking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Okay. So don't you think this is an occasion to celebrate? So I'm sure you must be expecting some nice gifts or an outing or an ice cream. Don't leave your parents. Tell them, yes, we have all graduated. So you must be treated. Yes, you will all get nice treats in the evening. Don't leave them. Don't forget today. Tomorrow is tomorrow. Today is today. Today is a big day for you. Okay, you're moving from pre-primary and you're entering into the main school level. That is the primary level. Well, children, I wish all of you good luck and hope you will day by day as you grow, You will become better and better by paying more attention, by focusing more on your classes and learn lots and lots. Okay, children, thank you. Have a wonderful day. You'll be seeing your beautiful presentations. Over to Madhvi ma'am. Thank you.
We have lived, loved, laughed, played, studied, learned, engaged our lives this year. We wish it could go definitely, give them the best. A small video of a virtual PP2 journey, I would like Sanjay sir to present it.
One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter, 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me.
That was a lovely video. Wow. Very beautiful memories, right, children? Yes. Now, a small video of the glimpses of online classes, please. And the parents and children's wishing their PP2 children. Children, today Ronak's mother is here to surprise us with some magic show. We all are ready, right? Very good. I hear thunder. Can I start reading this one, this sentence?
Annie is on the mat of Abby.
The Hare and the Tortoise. Long ago, in a forest, suddenly, from the crowd, they hear somebody laughing.
Let's have a race and let's see who wins.
Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Very good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdul Hamid of class PP2. Today I am talking about the day of race. Fire, work, rest,
and I am PP2. My school name is Kaden and Plants and School. Today I'm talking about plants and trees. This is Goa tree. And the tree. This is called shrub. These are all shrubs. This is also herbal plant. This is called climber. That's all.
I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby. 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 Come on.
Good morning everyone, my name is Gagan. When I grow up, I want to become an engineer. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan. I'm PP1 student and all the best PP2 student. Hello everyone, I'm Gohan. I'm PP1 student and congratulations PP2 students.
Hi all, good morning. I wanted to share some experience about my kid Abdul Hamid, who is studying with Kairos International School. He has been doing online classes since the time lockdown, and I definitely appreciate the way they have organized the online classes. It was really a commendable job done by teachers, school management, the way they have organized classes, and especially for my kid who is into PP2 group, okay, Madhvi madam, she has done a great job engaging children and then imparting education side by side, and then doing a lot of activities. I really appreciate that, and I wish all the success for Kairos School and my kid Abdul Hamid. Thank you.
Hi all. I am Gopi Mishra, Ronak Mishra's dad. Ronak is in PP2 in Kairos in Madhvi ma'am's class. This message is regarding Ronak's, graduation from PP2. Unlike others, Ronak joined Kairos very recently. Within this short span of time, the way Ronak has been, welcoming to his class, the way Madhvi ma'am takes care of Ronak while taking her class, the way Ronak's cohorts, his little tiny top classmates have interacted with him, gives us, Ronak, his mom and I, a great sense of joy and pleasure. And despite the pandemic, the hard work being put in by the staff of the school, and especially Madhvi ma'am in her prep work to conduct the classes, and the way she takes the classes is really commendable. We thank you all for whatever you have been doing. Please stay safe with your family and take good care of yourselves. Godspeed. Thank you. Take care.
The teacher Madhvi ma'am did a very fantastic job in engaging the children and the parents with the projects and activities. She also gave enough attention to every child in the class, and in the future I would of course choose physical classroom over the online, but now it is important for students to be engaged in a constructive manner, especially at the time when we are all being encouraged not to have any contact with the outside world. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations and all the best of PP2 children.
नमस्कार, मंजू वर्मा, मैं इवान कुहान की दादी। स्कूल प्रशासन ने मुझे एक मौका दिया बच्चों का टीचरों के बारे में बताने का। स्कूल जाते बच्चों का परिवर्तन उनके भविष्य के लिए एक पिलर का काम करता है। ऑनलाइन स्कूल का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अलग रहा। सभी बच्चों की नर्सरी एक्टिविटीज़ को अपनी आँखों से देखना और एक अलग और एक्सपीरियंस रहा। लर्निंग के साथ साथ बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी, घर की एक्टिविटी को देखकर मन और आनंदित होता था। ऑनलाइन स्कूल का अनुभव बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। मैं सभी प्रमोटी बच्चों को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ और स्कूल के स्टाफ एवं प्रशासन को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं। माधवी मैम को बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Everyone, myself Satya Prakash, grandfather of Gohan and Ivan. The Kairos International School Administration honored me to speak about 2 words for children and school staff. I will like to thank teacher and staff for school for their effort and labor for virtual classes whole year. It was great experience about it. We enjoyed for a long time to see their activity and creativity of children with their home activity. I will appreciate Mrs. Madhvi ma'am for her devotion and hard work for children and schools. So my all wishes to promote children with school administration. Again, I will like to bless Mrs. Madhvi ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Prasanna, Ritvik mother. School life is very important for the children. School life is considered as golden period of their lifetime. But due to COVID, children missing the school life a long time. The Kairos International School online teaching is very effective for children. The teacher interaction to each and every kid is very effective. They are trying to mingle children with the teaching methods as it is very attractive for the children. Thank you, Kairos International School.
Hey everyone, this is parents of Vaishnavi Angal Kuduru from PP1 studying in Kairos International School. So I'm here to give the feedback about the online classes. The online classes are going very well and we are well satisfied with these online classes. Basically, at the time of this pandemic situation, Kairos took a step forward to give the education for the children by online classes. So we are happy to say this and we are happy that our children are studying in Kairos International School. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kiran, father of Gagan. I congratulate Gagan on completing PP2 successfully in this pandemic situation. Few positives that I would like to mention here is he has gained in concentration and improved in reading skills. I wish Gagan to fulfill his dreams and lead a cheerful life. I thank Kairos.
Thank you so much for the wonderful feedbacks and blessings of the elders, like grandparents who were the part of my class with the children. I really enjoyed thoroughly during the online classes. That was a good experience, in fact. Now, moving to the next phase of this program, the graduation ceremony certificates would start. Before that, I just want to share something. Hello, my PP2 little blockbusters. I miss you all so much. I'm so lucky to have been your PP2 teacher. I can't wait to continue to watch you grow, learn here at Kairos International School. You always have a piece of my heart. Off to first grade you go. We are going to graduate the little blockbusters. The PPT, please, the video, please. Wow, that was beautiful.
Congratulations to all the children. You all have graduated. If you had caps, you would have thrown it out, right? But we don't have. Imagine, you should have made caps, right? Okay, congratulations, children. Have a good day. Have a great year ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Now I request grade 1 teacher Prasanna ma'am to welcome the PP2 children.
Children, my name is Prasanna and I am your grade 1 homeroom teacher. So first of all, congratulations on your graduation and welcome to grade 1. So I'll be waiting to see you all on March 24th. Happy holidays, children. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your holidays.
Children, you all are excited, right? So enjoy your holidays and wait for your grade 1 classes, okay? Dear parents, we give you back your child, the same child you confidently entrusted to our care last for. We give back some pounds heavier and just taller, months wiser, more responsible, and more mature than he was then. Although he would have attained this growth in spite of us. It has been our pleasure and privilege to watch his personality unfold day by day and marvel the splendid miracle of development. I once again thank you all on behalf of the Kairos International School. Thank you so much.